Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from VAC Global Education. Today we are on the way to Lincoln University. This university offers a lot of master's programs which are in artificial intelligence, global business. They also have a wonderful course in fintech. Also, this university is famous for the agriculture program. So I will show you around the campus. This place is around half an hour drive from Christchurch City, and this is the place where a lot of agriculture happen in South Island. So this will give you an option to do the courses which will help you build a career in New Zealand. So if you are looking forward to come to a good university with affordable fees and you want the scholarship to study here, then you can get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you with the entire process, right from the application to give you the counseling in which you will be able to select the best course. Also will help you get the visa. If you are planning to come here on a spouse visa, that will help you get your dependent the work visa, and if you have kids less than 5 years, they can get the visitor visa, and if they are more than 5 years, you can get them to study here on a domestic fees. So this whole process is taken care by the licensed immigration advisor, and we have that in on board. So let's start with the journey and we'll show you around the Lincoln campus. Stay tuned. Lincoln University is very famous for their agriculture program. यहाँ पर as you can see there is a lot of farming going on, lot of fresh produce are coming from the South Island. So they have lot of agriculture dominant economy here. So if you will study agriculture from Lincoln, that is going to give you lot of benefit in terms of the exposure, in terms of the jobs, as well as the cost of living in Lincoln is quite less compared to any other place. Also, this area only have one particular university, and after this university you can move to any part of the New Zealand. So you will be getting post-study work visa for 3 years, in which you can move to any place wherever you wish in whole New Zealand. So be it South Island or North Island, whichever place you get your job, you can move to that particular place. So today I'm here at Lincoln University. I'll show you around the campus, and we are going to discuss about the scholarships. We are going to discuss about the entry requirement. We are going to discuss about a lot of things, and I'll show you the campus. That is the main focus of me coming to Lincoln University. So let's start without wasting any time. This is the main building as soon as you enter the premises. It's quite a huge campus, and these are just a few buildings in the beginning. They have their own bus stop, and I'll take you around. So यहाँ पर जो कोर्सेज़ हैं, ये बहुत सारे कोर्सेज़ यहाँ पर अवेलेबल हैं, जो कि आपकी एग्री बिजनेस, एग्रीकल्चर, कॉमर्स, environmental policy, land and property management, then you have science, sustainability, sports and recreation management, विटिकल्चर, और इसमें बैचलर्स और मास्टर्स आपको दोनों ही मिलती है. सो देर आर लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस फॉर यू गाइस. आपको पता है ये जो यूनिवर्सिटी है, दिस इज़ इनवाइटिंग इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम 1880. सो कितनी पुरानी यूनिवर्सिटी होगी ये. सो बहुत लोगों को डाउट होता है कि भाई हम न्यूजीलैंड जाएंगे और कैसी यूनिवर्सिटी होगी, कैसा कॉलेज होगा. सो यू कैन सी इतने टाइम से ये यूनिवर्सिटी चलती हुई आ रही है. सो यूनिवर्सिटी की रेपुटेशन में या फिर यूनिवर्सिटी की जो क्वालिटी है उसमें तो कोई दो राय है ही नहीं. एंड आई विल शो यू देयर आर रिसर्च विच इज़ गोइंग ऑन एट द मोमेंट, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी प्रोफेसर्स, रिसर्च पीपल हु आर डूइंग देयर रिसर्च हेयर. सो यहाँ पर आप PhD करने के लिए भी आ सकते हो, नॉट जस्ट द मास्टर्स. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू डू द PhD, just get in touch with us, but make sure that you write your research proposal so well that they will be able to give you the admission. So this is one of the research which is going on. You can see the area is marked here. and the professors are doing their lectures. So starting from the taught masters, they have an applied computing, artificial intelligence for land use, bioprotection. They have finance, environment and agriculture, environmental policy and management, and their roughly fees is around 63,000 New Zealand dollars. So with this 63,000 New Zealand dollars, if it is a 1 year program, then you need the funds for 1 year of tuition fees and 1 year of living expenses. And if it is a 1.5 year course, then you would need funds for 1.5 years of living expenses. So living expenses in New Zealand is around 20,000 New Zealand dollars, which you need to maintain for 6 months before you can apply for your visa. So the funding part is quite crucial for New Zealand study visa, which plays a very important major role. So यहाँ पर जब आप आते हो ना, ये वाला जो क्राइस्ट चर्च जो साउथ आइलैंड वाला एरिया है, यहाँ पर इंडियन पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम है. यहाँ पर यू विल फाइंड मोस्टली कीवीज़ एंड यू विल फाइंड एशियंस मिलेंगे आपको, जो चाइना से हैं, कोरिया से हैं, वियतनाम से हैं, बट इंडियन पॉपुलेशन यहाँ पर बहुत कम है. तो यहाँ पर आपको एक्चुअली में फील आएगा कि आप एक इंटरनेशनल डिग्री कर रहे हो. So this is going to really help you boost your career as well as your confidence. तो यहाँ पर आपको काफ़ी अच्छा महसूस होने वाला है. I'll take you around. अभी we are in the central park of the university. So if you'll see here, the people walking, and this is the building which is quite old. अभी यहाँ पे renovation चल रहा है, but by the time you guys will come, आपको ये पूरी full fledged university देखने को मिलेगी. बहुत बड़ा कैंपस है यहाँ पर. दिस इज़ योर फूड एंड फंक्शन सेंटर. मैं ज़्यादा लोगों को कवर नहीं कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज प्राइवेसी के कारण वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू डू दैट, बट जितना भी कर पा रहा हूँ उतना करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. तो यहाँ पे जो आपके स्कॉलरशिप्स के बारे में बताता हूँ. स्कॉलरशिप के लिए भी आपके पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं. बैचलर्स के बच्चों के लिए द स्कॉलरशिप स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम $2,500 अ ईयर एंड गोज़ अप टू $10,000 डिपेंडिंग अपॉन आपकी जो मार्क्स हैं आपके 12th में. एंड फॉर मास्टर्स there is a $15,000 scholarship for Masters of Business, Masters of Business Finance, Masters of Fintech and Investment Management, Masters of Professional Accounting. And then you have $10,000 of scholarship for Masters of Business Global Management and Marketing, Masters of Business Finance, Masters of Park Management, Masters of Professional Accounting, Masters of Sports and Recreation Management, and Masters of Tourism Management. And then there are scholarship for $7,000, which is for Masters of Artificial Intelligence for Land Use, Masters of Applied Computing, Masters of Bioprotection, Masters of Environment and Agriculture, Masters of Environmental Policy and Management, Masters of International Nature Conservation. So like I said in my previous part, that this university is very well known for their agriculture, environmental, land use, and those kind of programs. They also have food science, they also have artificial intelligence. So it's a complete university where you are going to get a lot of programs which will help you shape up your career. And then scholarships are available. There is the cost of living is less compared to other part of New Zealand, because this comes like 30 minutes away from the Christchurch area. तो थोड़ा सा बाहर है उससे. और आप देखो कितना ब्यूटीफुल कैंपस है. इफ़ यू वांट टू कम एंड स्टडी हियर, देन you guys are more than welcome to reach out to us. There is a link in the description through which you guys can get in touch with us, and we'll be more than happy to help you with the entire process. It's such a huge campus. और यहाँ पे जो मास्टर्स में जो बच्चे आते हैं, they are allowed to bring their family, they are allowed to bring their kids. उनका जो process है, that also can be taken care of through a licensed immigration advisor. So we have LIA on board. Will help you with your study visa, will help you with your spouse visa, and the visa for your kid. Will take care of the entire process and will make sure that you get the best of the guidance. So भी पूरा कैंपस देखा आपने और प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में पता लगा, स्कॉलरशिप के बारे में पता लगा. इसके अलावा भी आपको जो भी इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए, just get in touch with us. We'll be more than happy to help you with the entire process.